Good day, YouTubers. Welcome back to my channel. Time for a spot of royal tea. Is the Queen sending a message that Harry and Meghan are replaceable by lovely George and little Charlotte as the Fab Four? I mean, they weren't there for the Christmas walk. That's a big deal. Was Harry secretly at the Sandringham Christmas? Because he wasn't with Meghan. I don't believe they were in Canada. Okay, there are reports that they were up in the North Vancouver Island. Beautiful place. I've spent a lot of time in Vancouver. Beautiful, beautiful up there. Okay, did they send body doubles? I mean, because I don't believe Harry and Meghan were together, and I don't believe Archie was together with them. Okay, and finally, there's always this talk. I believe that Meghan was with Marcus Anderson. What is the relationship between Meghan and Marcus Anderson? I mean, what is really going on there? I mean, I don't know. I mean, she seems closer to Marcus Anderson than she does to Harry, frankly, or anyone in the royal family. And he is a constant, perennial person who just keeps popping up everywhere. So let's start with a mini. Is the Queen sending a message that Harry and Meghan are replaceable? Okay, because they were literally replaced on the Christmas walk by beautiful George and little Charlotte. And maybe no one is not replaceable. Maybe everyone is replaceable or expendable. So is that the message that the Queen is sending? Let's just see here. Magi. Blocked woman. Cross family. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, she's sending the message that Harry and Meghan are replaceable. They can just be switched out for little George and Charlotte. And they're legitimate heirs. And they're so cute. Okay, Magi, blockage, and woman. She's blocking Meghan. Wow. Wow. Here's Meghan in the bottom. In the basis, this is Meghan. This is not Meghan and Harry. This is Meghan. She is blocking out Meghan. She's blocking her. You're out, Meghan. You're out. Behind is the karmic relationship, the family relationship, actions and talking. Cross permanent family, family. 2 family cards. 9 hearts, 7 diamonds. Key imposed actions on the permanent family, a big change, and a unilateral decision. The 2 most powerful cards are Magi and Executioner. Both of them showed up. Executioner makes a decision without consulting anybody. The Queen doesn't have to consult anybody. She just made the decision and imposed her will, and it's a big change. Meghan's out. That's what this literally says. She manifested her will and she cut Meghan out of the family through her actions. She's actually cutting Meghan out. And it's interesting that it's not Meghan and Harry. She's cutting Meghan out. She feels that Meghan is the problem. Harry was tremendously popular, okay, until Meghan. And now he's, plummeting, rightly so. He's mouthing all those social justice things about how he's a victim and, he's talking about psychological problems. I mean, oh my gosh, that's like Meghan as a narcissist poisoning Harry's mind and forcing words out of his mouth so that she can appear to be dominant over him. I feel that she's destroying Harry. And if Harry doesn't get away, she's going to completely destroy him because that's what a narcissist will do. So was Harry secretly at Sandringham for Christmas? Okay, because I don't believe he's with Meghan. He wasn't with Archie. They weren't together. That whole Christmas card thing Was he secretly at Sandringham? Okay, he's just like laying low and he's not in any of the pictures. Let's just see. Because a lot of people are saying that. Ooh, 2 hearts. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. Okay, so I also saw in a previous reading that Harry was very likely to visit Philip at the hospital. Okay, so he's mobile. He's in England, and I've heard a lot of reports Harry, was hiding out at Sandringham. Okay, and that would be very significant. So lovers, we have 2 union cards, and we have the foundation. Okay, solid foundation, connected, and very close relationship. 8, 2 spades, 3 2s, and a 3. Okay, together. I'm going to say that he was at Sandringham because this is so solid. I'm going to say that he was hiding out with his family at Sandringham. Meghan is in the U.S., probably in New York, hanging out with Marcus Anderson, making a fake Christmas card with her and Archie and Harry, and that's why Meghan had to create a photoshopped card, because they were not together, and she's upholding the illusion that they're a happy family and they're all together, and we're just not hearing. So that is very significant. If Harry's at the Sandringham, he's with his family for Christmas. Meghan is on another continent with her buddy Marcus Anderson. That's very significant. Meghan's already out, cutting Meghan out, manifesting by cutting Meghan out and unilaterally imposing her will on the permanent family. Yeah. Because this is all about family. Interesting. Okay, so we're hearing reports that they were hiking in North Vancouver. Beautiful place, by the way, and it's not that cold up there. I really love it up there, and it's called beautiful British Columbia, and it's true. So running, hiking, it's like in the 40s there, so it's chilly, and it'll be 40s and 50s. And this time of year, it can even get to 70. I played golf up in Vancouver, and it was 70 right around Christmas. And the ground was real squishy because it gets real squishy. But it was 70. And we played golf out there, me and my girlfriend. So did they send body doubles? Or did they create these news stories, rejected from a restaurant, because of the security issues, which I don't believe that crap. Hiking, running, buying baseball caps. Oh, come on. Okay, so did they send the body doubles to Vancouver, or is this they just made it up out of thin air? There's no one up there. They're just putting out news stories. So are the body doubles up in Vancouver? Hand in hand, many people. Scourge, repeatedly working with the many people. Ace of diamonds, sun. So 4 and 6, 10, 3 diamonds, 2 threes, building action, 8 hearts, water into wine, and olive tree. Lying about. Water into wine is a great lying card. Water is not wine. Wine is not water. So calling something that is not water and calling it wine because it becomes wine, that's a great lying card. So 14, 4 diamonds. The basis, the foundation underneath is telling fibs about what's really going on, and the foundation of the family and what's going on. So it's definitely a fib. Okay, it's fake news that Harry and Meghan are up in Vancouver buying baseball caps and doing all that stuff and running and hiking. That's fake news. Now, did they send the body doubles? Here's a lot of people in the middle, repeatedly exposed. 3 diamonds, everyone working together. I'm going to say that maybe they actually did send the body doubles up there to complete the ruse. Now, no one has seen Doria. No one's seen Doria. So the story is Meghan, Harry, Archie, and Doria. There's no picture snapped of it, which is so odd. You know, these are the only famous people in the world who don't get their pictures snapped by, you know, fans. People, because if I saw Harry and Meghan and Archie, would I snap a picture? Would I ask for a selfie? Well, of course I would. Would I tell them that I'm Joseph Magi? Probably not. But I would snap a picture. You know, that would be really fun, and I would put it on my wall maybe. You know, I think they actually watch this channel because they seem to react to it. Okay, so now we have Meghan and Marcus Anderson. What is their relationship? I mean, what a strange, I don't know. What is their relationship? I wonder. So Meghan and Marcus Anderson, what is their relationship? Have they had a sexual relationship? Marcus is, oh, there's the sex card just popped out. Marcus is bisexual. Love is love, you know, male or female, love is love. He's not picky. Okay, and that's kind of very in vogue today. That's kind of our culture. So Meghan and Marcus Anderson, what is their relationship? Meghan. Oh my gosh. Earthquake in the middle. Marcus Anderson. Interesting. Maybe she wasn't even with Marcus over Christmas. But let's read the cards. It reminds me of that, you know, Casino with De Niro and Sharon Stone and Joe Pesci and Lester Diamond, played by James Woods. You know, it's like Sharon Stone and Lester Diamond. That's what that reminds me of. Okay, whew, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, what is their relationship? It's had a bad ending. Messages to the world. I think they've kind of broken apart. Okay, they're touted as having this really great enduring relationship, but it looks like it's broken apart, and now they're almost like strangers. Wow, that's weird. Meghan just fights with everybody. That's not good. Okay, what's going on here with Marcus? Cup overflowing, very emotional. This can be difficulties or another woman. 22, 24, 6 spades, soured relationship. It looks like Marcus is running with another woman. His affections and his attentions are on another woman. And this is really upsetting Meghan. That's weird. You know, you are married, Meghan. It's not like you don't have another man, but that doesn't mean she wouldn't be jealous. That's odd. Okay, ongoing and talking about it and ongoing. What's underneath? Okay, incubus, succubus, selfish, ongoing, 11 and 9, 20, 5 spades. Okay, so they have an ongoing relationship back and forth. They talk a lot, electronically especially, but right now it's soured and blocked. So that's interesting. Recently, they had a breakdown. Their relationship is kind of on the outs. So that's so terrible. So Meghan is not even hanging out with Marcus Anderson right now because he's seeing another woman. He's occupied by another love interest. You know, and Meghan has Harry, you know, It's definitely fair game for Marcus to have somebody else. He's just supposed to sit there and wait for Meghan's beck and call while she's married to Harry. I mean, come on, that's the ultimate narcissistic move. That's the ultimate narcissistic move. You're not a person, Marcus. You're a thing, and you just wait for Meghan to call you so that she can use you the way she wants to use you. You know, and you just have to be there for her. And there's nothing stopping them from still being friends, even if obviously he has a life and he has to move on. He has to keep going with it. Life goes on. You know, you got to keep going. All right, so let's review. What's going on? Is the Queen sending a message that she can replace Harry and Meghan? Yes. But really specifically, she's sending a message that she can replace Meghan in the family. She's blocking Meghan. She's manifesting blocking Meghan, okay, from the permanent family because she's been such a problem. And this is like a unilateral decision imposed by the Queen. The Queen made a decision. Now, did she consult Charles and William and everybody? Yes. Yes, she did. But it's her decision. And she unilaterally decided to manifest this. She is literally kicking Meghan out. And she's not kicking Harry out. Now, very interestingly, I asked, was Harry secretly at the Sandringham? This really looks like a yes. I mean, and if he wasn't physically hiding out at Sandringham, he is so connected, strongly connected to his family. 3 2s and a 4. This is and 3 diamonds. They're really behind Harry. This is his family, and it's a close, loving relationship. So that's good. That's what you want to see. Good for Harry, bad for Meghan. Meghan is taking it. Meghan's taking the piss, and Harry is getting supported. Okay, did they send body doubles up there to Canada to buy hats, to go jogging, and how did they stop everybody from taking pictures? Yes, they did. Okay, they're working everything together. There's a lot of people involved. So Sunshine Sachs, and where was Sunshine Sachs for that ridiculous Christmas card sent out by Meghan? Where were they on that? I mean, they really dropped the ball there. Okay, but yes, they're using all their resources and people. So this really does look like they sent the doubles up there. But it's all a lie. It's all a lie about what's really going on. Okay, so it confirms that these are the doubles. So there's a lot of people involved, but it's all a lie. All right, how is Meghan and Marcus Anderson's relationship? Well, it's on the outs right now. Meghan really needs somebody. She can come hang out with me and I'll snuggle with her. I mean, it's completely platonic, but I mean, I'll give her hugs and everything. And I'll feed her like nice food and, everybody needs somebody. But right now, he's just in love with another woman. And they're really on the outs, although they have a long and enduring, they talk a lot on the phone. Diamonds are very electronic communication. They're used to, they have a very close relationship talking on the phone all the time, tweeting, emailing, talking, that sort of thing. But right now they're on the outs, and this is, wow, what terrible timing. Meghan's whole life is just falling apart, like right now. Like at this moment, her whole life is falling apart. And I don't believe she was ever down there with Doria for Thanksgiving. Oh, goodness. And we literally never see Doria now, which is so strange. Okay. That's your royalty today. That's how I see it. I'm Joseph Magi, author of Playing Card Divination, Fortune Telling, The Magi Method. Find the book worldwide on Amazon and Kindle and paperback versions. Find the full color card deck used here on Etsy/Magi Method. Other merch in the description. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and comment.